Hello, and welcome to another eDirectory tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you on enabling maintenance mode for your eDirectory website. This feature temporarily blocks public access while allowing Site Manager users to make changes and review the site. Let's get started. From your Site Manager dashboard, head to Settings, then click on General Settings. Find the option to block users from accessing your site while you work. Check the box to enable maintenance mode and click Save Changes. Once enabled, visitors to your website will see a maintenance page instead of your live site. Site Manager users can still access the site normally. If you log out and refresh, you'll see the message. This is the page visitors will see when they attempt to access your website in maintenance mode. You can personalize the message and images shown to visitors. To customize the maintenance page, click the shortcut button below the maintenance mode option. Click Edit to customize the message and image shown. When you're done working on your website, just go back to Settings, General Settings, uncheck the option, and save changes. Your website will immediately be available to the public again. Refresh the page, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable and disable maintenance mode in eDirectory. Thank you for watching this tutorial.